We didn't get a lot done today, but you can see the blocks and the toppers are no longer on top of the patio. We moved them down to the bottom. And they're there now, so we can get started over in this corner. What we did accomplish, though, is that we cleared away the majority of the dead brush, cleaned it up so we could see just what the wall that is there looks like and what we are up against. Son-in-law came over this afternoon and helped clear away the brush that was here. We can now see the wall that was built decades ago. It's in very good shape. But what we plan on doing with this wall is leaving it here and putting new blocks in front of it on the different levels, rather than tearing it down, which is a lot of work. We just figured if we place the new blocks in front of it, raise it up a little bit, that will be good. And we have this curvy wall here that we will work on, get it fixed. And as you can see, the blocks are down here. They're ready to go for the new wall. Toppers are over there. They're already. It saves a lot of work that they're already down here, that I don't have to bring them down. And you will also perhaps notice the son-in-law cut the grass or weeds or whatever you want to call it, so it's looking a lot nicer, a little more respectable. So this wall, as we said, is complete, and I started fixing our little problems here on the steps. And I was getting into it real nice, and then we had a torrential pop-up rainstorm, which dampened the spirits, dampened the dirt, and we decided, okay, let's call it quits for tonight. But we have figured out just what to do to fix our little problems here. And it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, so I will get back on it and hopefully not have too many problems. Where my problems are going to be is trying to figure out what to do here about building this part of the wall up. So it's going to be one step at a time, and we'll just see how things go. Since yesterday, many more surprise lilies have popped up and bloomed. In the coming days, more of the surprise lilies will pop up here. This is our pet cemetery. We have 6 cats buried here. Over the years, the first one was buried in 1980, and the last one was buried in 2012. So I have planted the flowers here for them.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.